Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one, and later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one we have negative 2x, because this one that is about the constant. So you got number 0 in here. Next, because we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative number 1, so we put negative number 1 gone here. So 10 minus number 1, we have number 9. The square root of number 9, we have number 3. When s equals to number 3, so we put number 3 gone here, and we have u equals to number 1. So negative number 1 we change by number 3. Number 3 we change by number 1. The square root we change by u. S ds we change by negative u du. So u divided by u, we have number 1. The integration of this one, we have 6u, and we put the bounds from number 3 to number 1. So we calculate this one, and that is about number 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.